In this video, we are going to solve October-November 2023 Pure Math 4 paper. This paper consists of 8 questions. Question number 1 is from binomial expansion. We have 8 over this. So first we write it as 8 times 2 minus 5x to the power 2. To apply the binomial expansion, the first term has to be 1. You cannot have any other number there. So take this number as a common factor out. So when you take it out, it will come out with the power. And inside the bracket, you will have 1 minus 5x over 2 if you take 2 as a common factor. So it should be power minus 2, not positive 2. 2 power minus 2 is 1 over 4. So 8 times 1 over 4 is 2 times 1 minus 5x over 2 to the power minus 2. And then apply the binomial expansion and find the first 4 terms. The binomial expansion is this: 1 plus nx. N is the power, x is the second term. You need to take it together with the negative sign. Plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial x square, n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 by 3 factorial times x cubed. And then we need to carefully simplify the terms. So here 2 will be cancelled, negative times negative is positive, so we'll get 1 plus, okay, there is a 2 outside the bracket. So when you multiply by 2, you will get 2 plus 5x times 2 is 10x. When you multiply these two, the 2 factorial and 2 will be cancelled. So you will get negative 3 times negative 2 is 6, which is basically, okay, probably we can write one more step. It's going to be, this becomes 25 over 4, so everything is positive. 2 factorial 2 will be cancelled. You will get 6 times 25x over 4. Sorry, 25x square over 4. And then the next term, when you multiply this, it becomes basically 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 divided by 6 factorial. 24 divided by 6 is 4, and when you multiply this, you will get 8. So you will get negative 8 times negative 5 cube x cube over 2 cube. 3 factorial. Let me double check using calculator first. We have 2 times the 2 outside the bracket, and then minus 2 times minus 3 times minus 4. We get negative 48 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. So negative 8, that's correct. 5x over x cube is 125, not 75. 125 over x cube. 125x cube. And then write the next step. It's going to be 2 plus 10x. You simplify this, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 3 times 25 is 75 over 2 x square. Here you cancel this, you'll get positive 125x cubed. That's all. It's a 4-mark question. Part B says find the range of values of x for which the expansion is valid. Okay, we started applying expansion, binomial expansion from here, from this step actually, right? This is where we started applying binomial expansion. So take the modulus of the second term is less than 1. That's a condition always. So modulus of negative number becomes positive. You can put 5 over 2 outside. Modulus x is less than 1. Bring the 5 over 2 to the other side, becomes 2 over 5. That's all. Just a 1-mark question. Question number 2. Figure 1 shows a cube which is increasing in size. Okay. Time t seconds, the length of each side of the cube is x. So everything is x actually. This is also x. The surface area of the cube is s centimeter square. The volume is v. So how do we find the surface area? Since it's a cube, you take the area of one face, which is x square, and there are 6 faces, so 6x square. Volume is just x cubed. I'm not sure whether we need it or not, so just write the rule first. Let's read the question. Given that the surface area is increasing at a constant rate, that is basically ds by dt is given 4 centimeter square per second. Show that dx by dt is k over x. Always write the formula. ds by dt is equal to ds by s is basically this 6x square, the variable is x, right? So ds by dx times dx by dt. This rule has 3 components actually. So when you have 2 components, sub in them and find the third one. That's what we are going to do. So ds by dt is given as 4. You can find ds by dx here by differentiating it. You will get 12x. So 12x times dx by dt. Make dx by dt as a subject. dx by dt. You will get 4 over 12x is basically 3 over x, where k is equal to 4 over 12x, right? So it's going to be 1 over 3x. So k would be, don't put 1, it's 1 over 3. That's all. It's a 4-mark question. Part B says, show that dv by dt is v power p. What's the formula for dv by dt? We know v is equal to x cube. So the formula is dv by dx times dx by dt. We can calculate dv by dx from here by differentiating it. We will get 3x square. So is equal to 3x square times, we calculated dx by dt in the previous part. It's 1 over 3x. So we cancel 3 and 3. X square by x is just x. But we need to write it in the form of v power p. From here, v power 1 over 3 is equal to x. So you can write it as v power 1 over 3 dv by dt is equal to. That's all. Easy 3-mark question. Question number 3. Use integration by parts to find the exact value of this. Even if it's not mentioned, you should know when you have x power n e power ax dx, or integral x power n any trigonometric function like cos ax, sin ax and all, you need to apply integration by parts. Here anyway it's mentioned integration by parts. So you have 2 functions, you need to find out which one is dv first. So I'm going to use detail. Some students they use liate to find which function is u. Some of them they use even late to find out which function is u. I'm going to use detail here. If you are wondering what's happening here, you need to learn the integration by parts properly. You write the word detail, you have algebraic function, so put an arrow here. Exponential function, put an arrow for e. So in this word detail, e comes first, so take it as dv. E power 2x dx. Integrate both sides, you will get v e power 2x divided by 2. Don't put plus c. Not because it's a definite integral. Even if it's not a definite integral, you don't put plus c here, because we will put plus c at the end after integrating everything. And then the balance function is u. So du by dx is 2x, du is 2x dx. Now we are going to apply the integration by parts. First write the rule, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. That's a rule. Integral UdV is the original function. X square e power 2x dx is equal to uv, which is x square e power 2x by 2 minus integral v du e power 2x by 2 2x dx. The 2 can cancel. Now you see, since there is a limit 0 to 4, I have seen students applying the limits here and then do the integration by parts here. It's not wrong actually, but I have seen students, a lot of students making mistake when they do like this actually. So I won't suggest you to multitask here. Forget about the limits first of all. Don't worry about the limits. First let's integrate everything, then finally we will add the limit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply integration by parts here again. So we have this step. I'm going to apply integration by parts for this. The first term I'll keep it as it is, x square e power 2x by 2 minus. Here we have again exponential and algebraic. So dv is e power 2x dx. Integrate both sides, v is e power 2x by 2. The balance function is just x. Take it as u. Du by dx is 1, so du is dx. So apply the integration by parts. uv, which is x e power 2x by 2 minus integral v du e power 2x by 2 dx. Now open the bracket, you will get x square e power 2x by 2 minus x e power 2x by 2 plus, when you integrate e power 2x, you will get e power 2x by 2. You already have divided by 2, so it becomes e power 2x divided by 4. So the integration part is over. This is where I include the limits. E power 2x dx is equal to, now we are going to sub in the limit 0 to 4. Sub in 4 in the place of x first. 4 square 16 by 2 is 8 e power 8. 4 over 2 is 2 e power 8 plus e power 8 by 4 when you sub in the upper limit. Lower limit, just because the lower limit is 0, don't just put 0. Don't think that everything becomes 0. When you sub in 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. This is e power 0 is 1. So we will get 1 over 4. And then you need to simplify. The first 3 are like terms, so I'm going to simplify it. It's basically 8 minus 2 plus 1 over 4, which is 25 over 4. So the answer is 25 over 4 e power 8 minus 1 over 4. Or you can combine them and write it as a single fraction. It's also correct. You can write it this way, 25 e power 8 minus 1 divided by 4. Both are correct. So that's all. It's a 5-mark question. You need to know integration by parts to solve this. I'm going to move on to part B of the question. Part B is a whopping 7 marks actually. It's a substitution question. Use integration by substitution to show that this integral can be written in the form a plus ln b, where a and b are constants. Okay. First, we need to find out what to be substituted as u. Okay. Usually, what I would suggest, when you take u, you take the function together with the power. Or you can take it without the power. So it's 2x minus 1 or 2x minus 1 whole square. You can try both, you will get the answer anyway. So what I'm going to do, probably I'll take it without the power and see how it goes. U is 2x minus 1. You need to mention let u is equal to 2x minus 1. That's a substitution, so mention that. Now we are going to convert everything in terms of u now. Okay, we need to find 4x first. So u plus 1 is 2x. Multiply both sides. 2u plus 2 is equal to 4x. So you see 3 to 21. 4x divided by 2x minus 1 whole square dx is equal to integral. We need to convert the limits also. 4x can be written as 2x plus 2 and then divided by 2u plus 2. 2u plus 2, right? 4x 2u plus 2 divided by u square. Now you need to differentiate and find dx. Actually, you can just do the implicit differentiation. 2 du is equal to 4 dx. So dx is basically 2 by 4, which is du by 2. So I'm going to replace this by du over 2, dx by du over 2. And then we have to convert the limits now. I'm going to convert the limits now. The x limits are given as 3 and 21 over 2. Just draw a little box. And we know we have taken u as 2x minus 1. So replace x by 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 1, 5. 2 times 21 is 21 over 2 is 21 minus 1, 20. So the limit, the new limit is 5 to 20 now. So basically if you take 2 as a common factor, you can cancel with this. So you get u plus 1 divided by u square. You get integral u plus 1 over u square du 5 to 20 is equal to 5 to 20 u plus 1 over u square du. I'm gonna split it, u over u square plus 1 over u square, 5 to 20. So 1 over u becomes ln u, ln modulus u, and then 1 over x square becomes 1 over u square is basically u power minus 2. So when you integrate, you will get u power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, which is basically minus 1 over u, 5 to 20. Now we need to carefully sub in the limits and write the answer in this form, a plus ln b, a single logarithm. So I'm going to sub in upper limit in the place of u. So I will get ln 20 minus 1 over 20 minus, sub in the lower limit, ln 5 minus 1 over 5. So this can be written as ln 20 over 5. By applying laws of logarithm, you can combine these two logarithms. And then you have minus 1 over 20 plus 1 over 5. So minus 1 over 20 plus 1 over 5 is 3 over 20. And the 20 over 5 is ln 4. So you will get 3 over 20 plus ln 4. That's the required answer. It's a 7-mark question. So most of the students, they make mistake in the part where we convert everything in terms of u. So you have to be very careful when you convert everything in terms of u. So that's all.